one of the new players specializing in 1A. Dave Quilon, get ready. You come after Jonathan. Dave Quilon.
Hindi, kasi umaano eh.
Hindi mo sila ganun.
Hindi ba?
Ito ang ano, ito yung babagsak.
Ah, okay. Ano, lugan natin to.
Okay. Is Jonathan is ready? Judges, you guys ready? You ready, Jonathan? Okay, sige. Ladies and gentlemen, Jonathan Macaya. Jonathan Macaya, kay Dave.